Mathematics 1, Chapter Function. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to develop competency in function, inverse, and composite function. Tutorial question 4. The function f and g are defined by fx equivalent to 4x minus 9, where the domain of f includes all real number. Gx equivalent to x squared, where the domain of g includes all real number. Part C. Sketch the graph of y equals to fgx, showing the coordinates of any point of intersection with the coordinate axis. Now, what is fgx? Yes, it is a composite function. Generally, composite function is written inside another function. Let's try to find our composite function. The inner function here is our gx. Replace our gx as x squared. You will obtain fx squared. Now this is f. Please refer to the function f. You have 4x minus 9. Now this is x, that's why you have obtained x here. Our composite function now is no longer fx, it's fx power of 2. Hence, you're going to replace x as x power of 2 as well. This is the composite function fgx. Now, what types of function is this? It's a polynomial of degree 2, correct. We also call it as a quadratic equation. Now, how to sketch the quadratic equation? You may follow this step. Step number 1, determine the shape. Look into the value of a. The value of a is 4, hence it's greater than 0. You obtain a U-shaped curve. Step 2, determine the y-axis. Y-axis is just equivalent to the value of c. In the case of here, the value of c is equivalent to negative 9. Step 3, determine the axis of symmetry. We use a shortcut, which is the formula of axis of symmetry equivalent to negative b over 2a. You will obtain our x as 0. When you replace x equals to 0, you will obtain y as negative 9. Step number 4 determines the root of the equation, or we can also say the x-intercept of fgx by equating equals 0. You can solve using a multiple method, either completing the square, factorization, quadratic formula. You will obtain the roots of negative 3 over 2 and positive 3 over 2. Once you obtain all the information, you may start to sketch. Make sure to label your y-axis, your vertical line, and your horizontal line, x-axis. The first information we obtain is the y-intercept equivalent to negative 9. So this is your first coordinate. You also know the axis of symmetry is at x equals to 0. The root of your equation is at negative 3 over 2 and positive 3 over 2. What's to do next is just simply connecting all the points to obtain a very smooth curve of U shape. Now don't forget to clearly show all the coordinate or the point of intersection. 3 over 2, 0, negative 3 over 2, 0, and negative 0, 0, negative 9. This is the complete sketch of fgx. If you use the help of Desmos, you will obtain the same curve as shown. Thank you.